how to get 1,000 subscribers. Every time someone just say, I need 1,000 subscribers, I want to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So all you have to do, you go to your Play Store, you search for Channel Manager. Channel Manager or YouTube. And if you have already installed it, all you have to do is just press open. Choose a channel you would like to manage your channel. You search for the name of each channel. Each channel like Tiger Art, you have to do just press link. In this channel, you check what the guy is doing. So all you have to do, look for the most viewed video and you click here. Click show tags to show you how many tags this guy used in all his videos. So all you have to do is just copy it and go back and search for another more channel. And then you tell. This guy talks about how to get free internet. And you see different type of energy tag, and once you click here, the channel will appear here. And this guy got 290,000 subscribers. On 223 million viewers. So all you have to do is just to click on this channel and choose the kind of tags you want to use for YouTube and copy it. This is the latest video, so all you have to do is just click on. If you want to watch, and once you click on the latest video, you just go under and see where the full comments. All you have to put is what? Nice video. Upload more. More for me. And once you comment, all the whole video here, I have no like. So all you have to do is that you will come here to like yourself. To like yourself. Once anyone come to this YouTube channel, once the person click there, he will like you, and once the person like the channel from there, maybe the person will click it like this. And from here, this person will get to your YouTube channel. The person will just come here and subscribe to your channel. That's how it works. Just come and click on the bell and subscribe to your YouTube channel. From there, you can get thousands of subscribers every day on YouTube without stress. Thanks you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more on how to get free internet and how to get free subscribers after without stress. the 22 hours. One more thing you have to do is that you have to minimize the phone and go back to this channel back. Check the tag. This person use more tag than the other channel. So all you have to do is just to copy this channel. And if you want to upload a video,